What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks. I'm coming back at y'all with another early unboxing, man. Now, if this is your first time here, man, feel free to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with me. You can know when I drop some new content, man. Now, I was lucky enough to grab these shoes off of exclusive access, which I never get. I never got exclusive access on any of the off-whites, but they want to give me access on a regular GR like these, but, you know, can't really complain with that sneakers at, bro. You gotta take what you can get. Like I said, man, I hardly ever get exclusive access, man. Didn't get exclusive access on none of the 50 off-white dunks, man. Still didn't get exclusive access today when they dropped exclusive access again. But they want to give me exclusive access on these regular old Jordan 5s, bro. But y'all seen the title, man. Y'all here for what y'all here for. Let's get straight to it. Get these joints open. Now off the rip, man, y'all see it came with the famous Just Steal It tape that Nike needs to do. Open this joint up. Now off the rip, man, I see that they went with a white Jumpman on the top of the box. That is kind of clean. The white Jumpman on top of the box with the Oreo speckles all the way around. It's usually a white base with gray speckles on a regular Jordan 5 box, but they switched it up with the Oreo print. I like the black and white. That's a nice touch with the white Jumpman on top. All black and white box for a black and white shoe. And another thing I noticed about this box is they switched the size tag on here. They usually have been putting the long skinny size tag, but this one they put like on like a black box Jordan size tag, like a Jordan 1 mid or a Jordan 1 low. Just for example, or maybe even like a Jordan 12, like have this size tag. But they recently been using the skinny size tag that'll go long ways and fit right here. Switched it up on this one to like a GR size tag. I'm not sure if this is just something that happened on my box or if they switched the whole size tag on this release in particular. And the tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro, black, cool gray, and white. This is a size 11.5 and the retail price was 190 bucks. Boom, inside got the white and gray paper. This is like how the regular box would usually look, just like how the paper looks. But they switched it up and went to that black and white to go with the Oreo or Moonlight thing that they're trying to force. Never really heard anyone call these Moonlights, but this is what they're going with. And I can't even lie. First reaction, opening these joints up. I can't even lie, bro. These are still trash like they were when they released the first time, and I passed on them. Maybe it was that like 2013 or 2014 when they dropped these. I'm not gonna say they trash, man. That's a black and white shoe. I do still love Jordan 5s, man, but this plain colorway just doesn't do anything for me. The suede on here is, man, bro, some really low nubuck, leather nubuck or something. I'm extremely underwhelmed with this shoe, man. Let's get you guys an up close and personal look at these. Let me know how y'all are feeling, man. I love the box. I love the things that they changed on the box. I love that touch, but this shoe is just not really doing anything for me, to be completely honest. But it has the all black upper, black suede with the clear nets on each side and on the tongue. Has a clear and black Jordan lace lock, man. No 3M on the tongue, man. Has the black tongue with the gray Jumpman stitched in. White sock liner, white insole, white outsole, man. Got the speckled teeth on there. It has some nice hits and some nice individual details, but this is not a shoe that I personally will see myself actually needing or actually keeping. This shoe probably won't do very well on the resale market, but I know if it's a personal, this shouldn't be a hard cop for you, man. If you do any kind of regular basic footwear, go put in a few raffles or just get up on Saturday morning, hit the mall, hit your local stores. I'm pretty sure you'll find these, man. They are black shoes, so I expect them to sell out within like a few weeks to come. But I don't expect these to be like an instant sellout on Saturday with crazy resale prices, man. You may see a local reseller trying to get these off at $250, $260, but if you do the footwork, this will be a shoe that you're able to grab for sure. Now getting back to the shoe, man. One of the first things that I seen when I opened the box, man, you might not be able to see it on camera, but it's like one of those scratched flaws that you get on the new Bucks and like that new kind of suede, you know, like those Raptor 7s look like that. If you have like 2011 or 2016 metallic 5s, they have that kind of problem as well, man. Maybe I think Jordan Brand should have did a leather version of this shoe. I feel like that would have made it a lot hotter, and it would have had a lot better feedback coming from the just coming from the buying community, man. I don't think a lot of people are checking for these just because of the suede, and I don't think they're gonna look well and wear well over time, man. But overall, man, I can't really knock it, man. It's a black and white shoe. It is a Jordan 5, one of my favorite models. So, I mean, it is easy to pull off, man. It does look good initially, man. Fresh out the box, they definitely look good. Can't really complain too much about them, man. Like I said, it's a simple shoe. I don't really see the demand of why they retroed these among a lot of options they could have had in a Jordan 5. Could have released pairs that dropped way before this 2013 pair, or even just a different OG or something like that. But like I said, man, I'm not really complaining, man. It's gonna be a skip for me, man. I may grab a couple of pairs for like pre-orders or some of my friends that may need them, but it's definitely gonna be a skip for me. These will not be added to the collection, man. Not at all, not even a little bit, bro. And that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the Oreo 5s, or like they're trying to call them now, the Moonlight 5s. Never heard of that name before. You seen the box, man, which was my favorite part. Had the black and white Oreo speckles, where it would usually be white and gray, man. That's my favorite part. Had the white jumping on top of the black and white box, man. Kept with the theme of the shoe. Like I said, man, it is a clean shoe, but it will be a skip in my book. I will not be adding these joints to the collection. Y'all let me know down below. Let me know if you already secured your pair or if you're looking forward to it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Till next time on the next video. Peace.